In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify payment method on Google Play. By the end, your card will be fully ready for app and in-app purchases without surprise errors. First, open the Google Play Store. On most Android phones and tablets, you find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When you tap it, the main Play Store page opens with featured apps, games, and the search bar at the top. If the app opens to a previous screen like a game page, that is fine. You are still inside Google Play. Now tap your profile picture. You will see it in the top right corner of the Play Store screen. It might show your photo, your initials, or a simple user icon. When you tap it, a menu slides down or pops up showing options like Manage Apps and Device, Notifications and Offers. This profile menu is where all your account and payment settings live inside Google Play. From there, tap Payments and Subscriptions. This option appears in that profile menu, usually under the line that separates your account details from the rest of the items. When you tap Payments and Subscriptions, a new screen opens with sections such as Payment Methods, Budget and History, and Subscriptions. If you do not see it right away, scroll a little, but most users will have it near the top. Next up, tap Payment Methods. On the Payments and Subscriptions screen, Payment Methods is usually the first item. Tap it once and wait a moment. You are taken to a page that lists all cards and accounts saved to your Google Play profile. Here you might see your credit or debit card, sometimes with the last 4 digits, and other options like Add Credit or Debit Card or Redeem Code. This is also the place where you can spot if a card has an issue, because Google often highlights problem cards with colored text or a warning icon. At this point, if your card needs verification, follow the on-screen instructions. Google Play might ask you to confirm a small temporary charge, enter a code from your bank statement, or approve a notification from your banking app. The exact steps can vary, so watch the prompts carefully and complete each one before you move on. When you finish, the screen usually returns to the payment methods list and your card no longer shows a warning message. Many banks update almost instantly, but some can take a few minutes, so if the verification banner disappears, the card is ready to use for purchases. You have now opened Google Play, reached your payment settings, and completed any verification Google requested for your card. If this helped you get your card verified on Google Play, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more straightforward Android tips.